Hello, greetings. Welcome to my YouTube channel. How's everybody? I hope everyone is in good mood, good condition, and of course, good health. And don't forget always to say thank you to the high power. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have another beautiful item. It's not item actually, ladies and gentlemen. It's a chocolate or chocolate. It's a harvest chocolate because it's I need to pause it because the October's few more days gonna be, and this one is a harvest chocolate. It's Oktoberfest chocolate, and I want to share it with you, and we're gonna taste it, and I hope you're gonna find it and enjoy it too, like me. Uh, show it to you. Hold on. Papa, let me just adjust the camera a little more. Sorry, I'm using a new device that hoping give us a good. This is only a right. This is the first time I use this kind of setup. Okay, this is the harvest chocolate. If you can see, ladies and gentlemen, there's some. It's a harvest, so you're gonna find a lot of fruits, and we're gonna find out over here in the back. So hold on, I need to wear my reading glasses so I can read those things. My eyes is not too good anymore. Okay, over here we have the chocolate creamy. It's like an apple. Okay, there's apple. We have a chocolate caramel caranche, coffee caranche, and we have hazelnut praline. We have crunchy chocolate creamy. We have hazelnut praline. This one is like calabasa. Pumpkin. There you go, pumpkin. This one is caramel grenade. This pumpkin too. And walnut flavor praline. This one. And we have the orange flavor praline. And we have hazelnut praline. And we have the person there is a milk chocolate. This one is cute. I think this one are apples. Green apple, chocolate apple, green apple, corn, yellow corn, white corn, pumpkin, calabasa, another pumpkin, walnut, pine cone, and pine cone. Beautiful. Okay, let's open this beautiful chocolate and we gonna taste them. Let me lower the camera so you can see it. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Every time I'm doing unboxing, I'm always, there's something excited. I don't know why, but unboxing is one of the beautiful. Make me because what they said, you don't expect what's in the box, especially if you don't see, is hidden in the box. I mean, hidden the what's content of the box, and it make me more excited. But this one you can see it over here. But now we're gonna do taste testing, taste not testing, taste. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, beautiful. So we have multiple kind of okay. You know what? I like white chocolate. Okay, so put it like this, and this one is what we expect after we unboxing it. Oktoberfest or harvest chocolate, and according over here, let's try the hazelnut praline. This one is the yellow one. I'm gonna just grab. Mmm. 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 Good. Beautiful. Mmm. Mm. And I like milk chocolate. I will not eat them all, but you know, this one I bought it in Costco for $5, $5 something. Mm. Not too bad for $5. Mm. Mm. Very good. Let's try the scarecrow milk chocolate. I love milk chocolate. But it's a detail. Gonna just I don't like to eat him. He's so cute. I gotta save it. It's so cute. Okay, we have some pine cone. Pine cone. This one is a orange flavor praline. This is the one. Sorry for my hand, my finger. I told my wife my hand is a working hand. This is the white corn, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Beautiful. Then I have a green apple. Is coffee ganache. I cannot pronounce it. This is a green apple. But I eat the yellow corn, the hazelnut praline is very good. Recommended. Thumbs up. And the white one, the chocolate creamy. Oh, you know what? I like chocolate. But look at it. Beautiful. Cute, cute, cute. With the leaves. Let me try this one, this apple. Mmm. Yeah. Mmm. There's some brown over there. Nice. Delicioso. Mmm. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, may here's the hazelnut. Another pine cone. And this one is a walnut flavor praline. You can see there's a milk chocolate and the white chocolate. Probably there's something. They always have something inside. It's very highly recommended. Very good, tastes good. And if you love chocolate, and you can find this one on Costco. I got from Costco for $5. It's not too bad, and very good. It's good gift for harvest, Oktoberfest. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time. And I want to say, please, 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 if you're gonna ride, always be defensive. Bye.